Hello everyone, or yo gwan. This is Steven and welcome again to Learning Patwah in a Minute. Now in today's video, what we'll be covering the response to what we explained to you in the past video that we did, the introduction video, and that was what's going on, which is wagwan. Now in today's video, we want to brief you on how you would respond to that, which is I'm okay. Or we would say that in Jamaica is me dey man. Did you catch that? Let me go again. That is me de ya man. Try to see if you can say it like how I am saying it, because it has the accent attached to it. Just like you're learning Spanish, you have to put in the accent in it. So you want to mañana, that's Spanish. In Jamaican, you have to get that Creole, you have to get that accent. And that is me dey man. Yes, me dey man. Right, so if you want to practice, you can just watch the video again, right? And feel free to share with your friends and also, persons who plan to come to Jamaica, or, if you have visited Jamaica before and you want to effectively communicate with persons, you want to go ahead and share this video and stay tuned for more videos that will be coming out. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.